Hey guys, Don here with Pro Performance Pressure Washing. We've been serving Florida since 1999 with over 19 years in the business. We specialize in commercial, residential, government, state work, non-pressure roof cleaning, exterior house washing, driveway, sidewalks, HOAs, and a many wide variety of services. We have some of the most state-of-the-art equipment on the market. We keep up with all our technology to give our customers the best performance we can possibly give at the best price on the market. So if you're interested in getting a quote from us today, you can give us a call at 813-477-4507 or 941-755-3485, or you can visit us online at performancepressurewashing.com.